Here to show you a low maintenance landscape installed about 3 or 4 years ago, I believe. I don't think it has a single plant. Not bragging. Just like to have some free Saturdays. Love the different aggregates. 1/4 inch limestone path. Some elevation changes here. So we put in some timber walls with a fire pit, flagstone pieces, traditional 2-inch Dakota rock up against the house there, concrete edgers, area's deep shade, so they couldn't get any lawn at all to grow. So fantastic solution. Not a single plant, no shrub trimming, easy to blow the leaves out of. Love it. Thanks, guys.